Moving on, we have more breaking news coming in. The Mumbai police team is questioning the guards who were on duty at the time of the incident at Saif Ali Khan's residence. Private security guards of the society changed. 3 new guards have now been deployed at the residence. So, a big crackdown on the security guards under whose watch the entire incident took place at Saif Ali Khan's residence. The police have quizzed the security guards and they've also brought in 3 new security guards at Saif Ali Khan's residence in Bandra. The police have now cracked down on these security guards who were napping at the time of this particular incident because none of the security guards know what exactly happened at Saif Ali Khan's residence during the wee hours, and due to the lapse on their part, 3 new security guards have been brought in to guard Saif Ali Khan's residence. Meenakshi is joining me live. Meenakshi, 3 new security guards have been brought in. Tell us whether this is an action taken by the Mumbai police against these guards for being very lax in their approach of maintaining the security of this particular apartment where Saif Ali Khan's attack was witnessed.
Yes, you are absolutely right. This is a security lapse. That's why that incident happened. And now security guard changed. 3 new security guard deployed in Saif Ali Khan's residence. We are now at Saif Ali Khan's residence. And this gate is most important because police are suspecting that that suspect entered from this gate. And there is a security chowki. We are now at the back gate of Saif Ali Khan's residence, and here is the new security guard. भैया आप आज नए आए हो, कल तो आप नहीं दिखे. आज नए हो ना आप, आज से नया है ना. So you are वो आप आज से ड्यूटी में आए हो ना. आप आज से ही आए हो ना ड्यूटी में.
आज मैं आया हूँ.
तो पहले नहीं थे, आज नए हो.
पहले हम लोग नहीं थे.
कितने लोग हैं नए?
मुझे पता नहीं है, मुझे.
He is new to this place and he confirmed that the security guards changed and he is deployed from today. So 3 security guards changed and 3 security new guard deployed at this place, and security guard confirmed that he is new to this place and he is deployed from today. So Republic confirmed that 3 security guard deployed in Saif Ali Khan residence from today. And here's the more update from this case, because we are getting information from our police sources that the maid said to police she saw the bathroom door open and light on, and first assumed Kareena Kapoor Khan was checking in her younger son. Then she went back to sleep, but again she realized something was wrong. So she woke up again and saw a man come out from the bathroom and go into the boys' room. So this is clear that suspect entered from this side, and this security chowki was there. None of that security checked this suspect. Suspect jumped from that place and he entered from left side fire exit zone, and he used stairs and go up 12th floor Saif Ali Khan's flat. But the question is that who opened the door from that suspect, because there are so many questions that arise in this case, that there are some angles. Also police are there are so many angles that police are now looking
right, Meenakshi, stay on with me because I have another big breaking news update that we have to give our viewers, and this is coming all the way from Pakistan with respect to Saif Ali Khan's case. Pakistan's ex-minister Fawad Chaudhry has said that Muslim actors are not safe in India, completely communalizing the entire incident. Pakistan must probably look at the mirror because many Muslim minorities are facing persecution in their own land. And here we have Fawad Chaudhry jumping in to this particular case and saying that Muslim actors are not safe in India, completely injecting a communal angle to the entire case. Meenakshi, this is a shocking response coming in from Fawad Chaudhry, because in Pakistan, they should first look at what's happening in their own country, because there are many Muslim minorities who are being persecuted. And here we have Fawad Chaudhry, who's jumping into this case and injecting a very, very communal angle that only Muslim actors are being targeted in India.
Pakistan isn't Pakistan only, I have to say that, because Pakistan, they don't care about their citizen, and they are saying about Indian citizen and Muslim and also all are rubbish they are talking about. We are investigating also this case from the beginning, and Republic first show that visual that from where the police is suspecting, from where that suspect entered to this place, and from and how he went to the 12th floor of Saif Ali Khan's residence, and he went directly to Jay and Taimur rooms. This is most important thing. Police is looking forward from this angle also, because it's an important. He knows everything about Saif Ali Khan's residence. He knows where is bathroom, where is living room, where is bedroom, where is children bedroom. He knows everything. How one suspect knows everything? Because we spoke to neighbors yesterday, and they are saying there are some inside person who is involved with this case, because there is so tight a security, and suspect knows everything how that suspect entered Saif Ali Khan's flat, because there is a switch gate. One has to open that gate with using switch.
The attacker in the Saif Ali Khan case was last seen at Bandra railway station. Mumbai police is trying to trace the location of the accused. Mumbai police is also looking at the CCTV of the railway station. Back-to-back updates coming only on Republic TV as far as Saif Ali Khan's attack is concerned. We are ahead of all the channels as far as tracking the movement of the accused, because Mumbai police sources have told us that the accused in the Saif Ali Khan case was last seen at Bandra railway station. And they're now scanning all the CCTV cameras that are situated at that particular railway station to check on the time, and also to check which train the attacker boarded, if at all he took another journey to escape from Bandra. So now the police have switched their focus to the CCTV cameras at the Bandra railway station, because they believe that they saw the accused or the attacker in the Saif Ali Khan case being spotted at the Bandra railway station. Meenakshi, what more details do we have on this?
See, we are getting information from police sources that the suspect is being seen at Bandra police station, and police is now checking the CCTV footage of Bandra station, that which train that suspect went from which train. But there is some question, and here 6th floor CCTV footage shown by police, but the 11th floor and 12th floor CCTV footage of Saif Ali Khan residence, because he stayed in the 12th floor of this building. Footage from 6th floor CCTV has been shown. Where is the CCTV footage from 11th and 12th floor? The suspect is looking toward the CCTV camera but has not covered his face. It's important. We have seen that the suspect is looking towards the CCTV camera but has not covered his face. So what that suspect thought about this CCTV camera, because he doesn't cover his face. So this is important clue also.